Well, I'm flipping through the channels on the satellite and I come across the Playboy channel. And if you thought that still images had done a number on me, think again. Live action images of sexual conduct was, oh, wow. It really messed me up mentally, especially considering the things that I was going through and dealing with at that time. And I remember I quickly allowed for those type of activities to, I don't know, pacify me. I allowed for those type of activities to help me pass the time because I was really going through it. Like I said, we were moving up and down from the Bahamas to America, back to the Bahamas, Atlanta, Texas, Florida. We moved all over the place. We had a lot of issues. I'm having to make new friends, lose friends, and then deal with the different issues that young people deal with in school, trying to fit in, all of these different things that you, I'm sure, to some degree have dealt with in your life. You know, wounded men and women like myself, like you, we have to come to realize that the things that we've experienced in this life, although it was stressful, although it was hectic, although it was not desirable, that there is a lesson to be learned through it, and then a testimony that you can shine through as a result of it. Whatever you've gone through, whatever it is that you've experienced, there is an opportunity for ministries, an opportunity for you to take that which you have dealt with and put it in the area of perhaps counseling, life coaching, pastoring. It can help you to become a better entrepreneur, a more compassionate person when you're dealing with people, because I don't care what it is that you choose to do in this life, you're going to have to deal with people, whatever that career field is. So the things that you and I have gone through as broken, wounded individuals, it is meant for us to be able to associate and to relate to others who, like ourselves, have experienced some pretty hectic things. You know, at the end of the day, I want you to remember that you are valuable. And that is what I could not understand. My father was verbally and physically abusive, so I did not think that I was loved. And then on top of that, I was fat. I was overweight. I had a weight issue. You see, I was an emotional eater. I would eat to get by, as well as look at images on the internet. I say internet, really the satellite, because internet was not quite out at this particular point when I first stumbled across pornography. It was the satellite dish and the magazines that I would stumble across in my father's back trunk that enabled me to kind of escape. And that's what we're looking for when we're wounded and broken, and escape. We're looking for something to bury our worries and our issues and our problems in. And unfortunately, a lot of times that ends up being drugs, cigarettes, alcohol. It ends up being sex. It ends up being anything that can distract the mind long enough away from the pain and the hurt that you're dealing with at home.